All right, this is Camp Ocean. This is all for the kids up to 10. Here is Camp Ocean. In here they'll have like the little kids under 5s. They have a separate place and a gated and their own bathrooms. This is like the main space where they do games and stuff. And then they'll have stingrays on one side and sharks on another so that they have the younger kids separated from the older kids. And that's that over here. They've got a little playground out here, which we can't get out to, but there is a little gated playground out there. These are game consoles here. And then this is the shark side. So these are all game consoles as well. Lots of space. They'll have lots of activities to do in here. And then over here is where they'll do like, I don't know, art and beads and other stuff like that. So pretty cool little place for the kids. Okay, this is Circle C. This is age 12 to 14. This is a teens club, so it's pretty chill in here. Lots of video game consoles all the way down, game stations, places for board games. They do have their own counselors in here as well. Another TV here. Places to do crafts and hang out back here. And then on here, there's a big TV room. They have lots of fun activities in here. So yeah, that is Circle C. This is Club O2. This is for the teenagers, 15 to 17. It's basically just a cool place to hang out. There's games, there's video consoles, there's places to watch movies. This one actually has foosball, which was awesome. So that's cool. And then a place to chill over here. They do have counselors in here as well, and they do activities and stuff. So that's the kids' clubs. If you have any questions, leave them below, and we'll catch you in the next one.